Morning everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you and welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Children, this is my first video of this week. In this video today, at a glance I will recall you the two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. First, what you all will see the chapter 1. Chapter 1, name of the chapter, God the Creator. Yes, you all know children, God has created the universe. Okay, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon and all the creatures on the earth. So there are mainly 4 different kingdoms created by God on earth. These include the mineral kingdom, the vegetable kingdom and the animal kingdom. Okay, and the human kingdom. So there is at a 5th higher kingdom, that is the kingdom of the prophets or the divine teachers. These are special souls who brings the teaching of God from time to time. So children, God has created the universe. So what should we do? We should believe in God. We should trust in God. And whatever God has created, we should respect them. Okay children, and also we should take care, love. So children, now come to the chapter story. Story name is the trusting dog. Okay, the trusting dog. What happened? Once upon a time, deep in a jungle, there was an old house wherein Mr. Bear lived with his servant, the cat. One day, Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen in Mr. Bear's house. Suddenly, he fell down and broke the jar of honey, and that was the precious jar of Mr. Bear's. So he was totally scared, and he said these all things. He said to the dog, Mr. Dog, because Mr. Dog was the friend of Mr. Cat. So he said, what will I do? I have no money. I cannot buy a new jar of honey, and Mr. Bears only give me food and shelter to live. But I did not get salary. Okay children, so Mr. Dog said, don't worry. What? Just only believe in God. Okay, just believe in God, everything will be happen good. So because God, whatever God does is the best, because so that's why dog also said, I always fully trust in God. So after that, what happened? Mr. Bear came and he asked about the honey, and he said, where is my bottle of honey? So Mr. Cat said, what? He said, when Mr. Bear asked Mr. Cat, where is my honey? So Mr. Cat said, sorry sir, sir, I am sorry, I broke the jar accidentally. So Mr. Bear said, what, you broke my precious bottle of honey? So get out of my house and don't ever come back. So Mr. Cat was very upset, because now he has he has no shelter to live. Okay, and also he was jobless. So Mr. Cat was very sad. Okay children, so again Mr. Dog said to the cat. So Mr. Cat left the house with the Mr. Dog. So Mr. Dog said, no, just trust in God. When you trust in God, you need not worry anymore. Be happy. Sometimes things seem to go wrong. We need not to be sad. Be patient and leave your affairs in God's care. Okay children, do you know what happened after that? When as they walking, they came across the small inn deep in the jungle. There was a notice on the door for inn, and so Mr. Cat say, hey, sounds, he said, like a job for me. So the dog also said, I told you, when you trust in God, he does what's best for you. So on the board there was written, looking for a cook with good salary and free body. Now Mr. Cat was very happy, and he said, if I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless. What can I? Now I can prosper. Prosper, it means wealthy. So at last, what you all have understood, children? You all have? Yes. First, or in the all situation, we have to be happy. Okay children, not need to be worried and just trust in God, because sometimes things seem to go wrong. You will not need to be sad. Be patient and leave your affairs in God's care. So now children, this was the story. So we should also trust in God, and we should if sometime in times of difficulty, we should also not need to be worried. Okay, now come to the next chapter, that is chapter 2, and the name of the chapter, Love God's Creatures. Yes children, you all are knowing God has created this universe. Okay, so what should we do? We need to love and care. Yes, we need to love and care for God's creatures, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with affection, or do little things to make them happy. Now come to the story. The story name is Rohit and the Loving Cat. Rohit and the Loving Cat. So what happened children? Yes, Rohit was an unhappy child, and already you all are knowing, because this chapter also I have explained very nicely. Well, yes, Rohit was an unhappy child because nobody loves him, and he's always thought nobody loves me and I have no friends. So one day one day a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. So Rohit said, "What are you doing under my bed? And just get out, you lazy cat." But do you know why it was not moving? Because the cat had hurt its paw. So when Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, he said, "That's why that is why you are not moving." So Rohit felt sorry and started nursing, and he gave some medicine to recover fast. Okay children, so now Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. So before long, the cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay children, so what soon other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens, and Rohit had many new friends. So now and they all played together happily with the kittens. So what children, you all have seen in the beginning, he was an unhappy child, but now he has many friends. So now, and also Rohit and the cat became good friends. Okay children, so what we need to love and care, what need to love and care of God's creatures. We should love children. Okay, now come to the chapter, which means you all are going to do the work related to the chapter 1. O.D. God. We should always trust in God. Dad saw a notice board on the door for good cook. Yes children, who saw? Mr. Cat. So there you will write Mr. Cat saw. Mr. Cat saw, C-A-T, cat saw a notice board on the door for good cook. Rohit's heart was full of dash for the cat. Yes, Rohit's heart was full of love. You will write love, L-O-V-E, love, and now he became, Rohit and the cat became a good friends, and his heart was full of love for the cat. Now after that, next question is here. Rohit looked after the dash with great love and care. So what will you write here? Kittens. Yes children, spelling K-I-T-T-E-N-S, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. Yes, Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Yes, after long, the cat gave to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay, his heart was full of love, so Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. So kittens, spelling a baby of cat called kittens, a baby of cat called kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. Now, an old house was deep in a jungle. An old house was deep in a jungle. Jungle, 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 wherein Mr. Bear lived with his servant the cat. Okay children, so jungle spelling Jungle, and old house was deep in a jungle. Now next question is here, who felt dash for the cat? So what, sorry, there is Rohit felt dash for the cat. So there you will write Rohit felt sorry. Rohit felt sorry for the cat. Rohit felt when at first Rohit saw the cat is lazy, that's why it is not moving. So Rohit said, "Get out from here, come, just come out from the bed." But when Rohit saw the cat had hurt its paw, so Rohit felt sorry. Rohit felt sorry for the cat. SORRY, sorry. Now next question, the cat was cleaning the kitchen. It is related to chapter 1. The cat was cleaning the kitchen, spelling KITCHEN, KITCHEN, kitchen. The cat was cleaning the kitchen, and suddenly what, the cat slipped on the wet floor, and he broke broke the jar of honey. So Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen, KITCHEN, kitchen. Now next one, Rohit and the cat became dash friends. So Rohit and the cat became good friends, spelling GOOD, good friends. Yes, at beginning Rohit was an unhappy child because he has no friend, but at last when Rohit take care of the cat, so Rohit heart was full of love. So Rohit and the cat became good friends. So there you will write good, GOOD, good. So children, question number 1 to 8 you will do. So once again I am just repeating. Question number 7 is Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen. Rohit and the cat became good friends. Okay, Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. 5 number, and old house was deep in a jungle. Rohit felt sorry for the cat. Okay, 1 number, we should always trust in God. Dash saw a notice. Mr. Cat saw a notice board on the door for good cook. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat, my dear. So these fill in the blanks you all will do in your copy with beautiful handwriting. First you all will read these two chapters, chapter 1 and 2, and then after you all will do the work related to this chapter. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. At last I would like to tell you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.